Welcome back to the channel. I'm headed to Aldi's today. I want me some shrimp fried rice. I hope that's good. I'm gonna see if they got any shrimps. I don't know if they sell the fried rice in a box or not. If not, then I'm gonna have to go to Target, because I'm not finna go all over town, Tuscaloosa, looking for no rice. And the game today, so you know everybody is out and about, because I think the game started at 6. So I should have got up early this morning, being lazy. My first day out being lazy. That's what it was. But I'm headed to Aldi, so I'll see y'all when I get there. Of course, I ain't bring no bags. I just thought of it when I pulled up at the parking lot. I don't know why every time. See them at Aldi's. Every time these folks, they got, I think it's Long John or Longhorn, one of them restaurants that these folks be parking in Aldi's parking lot, knowing the parking lot is barely big enough for a flea. But I'll see y'all when I get inside. Alright. I want me some shrimp. What's this here? I got these grapes on sale. 99 cents a pound. They don't look too good though. These little oranges, $2.49 a bag. Mandarins, oranges. See, I go here. I go with this here. I ain't even come in here for these darn oranges. See, this is my problem here. This right here is my problem right here. Okay, got my bag. Ooh, what else they got? They got their blackberries, $1.89. Broccoli, crowns, $1.89. I came in here for some shrimp. So that's what I'm gonna get. I can use this. I like the dirty rice too. Jambalaya. And just add some shrimp in there. That'll be good. That box is $1.49. I might end up just getting that. How much this one is? $1.94. I ain't had no dirty rice in a long time. Okay, I'm gonna get that. Okay, I got my jambalaya. Add some shrimp and sausages in there. I see they got that seafood boil. That Aldi seafood boil. Y'all see it down there? How much is it? I don't see the price on it though. How much they shrimp is? The large bag is $6.65. I might end up getting that one. Yeah, I might end up getting that one. It ain't that many in here. I don't want that one. Y'all see how small these darn shrimp bags is? And it says jumbo. How many in here? 19 to 23. Look how small that darn bag is. $6.59. This is ridiculous. They better be glad I don't wanna drive nowhere else. Oh, they did have some for $4.99. They out of those. Y'all see that? Of course, I had to get my eggs. They 98 cents. So anytime you at all this, get your eggs. They're a whole lot cheaper. Because when I was at Publix, I ain't had no other choice but to get them darn eggs. And they were $2.55. Okay, let me get me some bacon for $3.99. Okay, I got my bacon. Make sure y'all go to Aldi's and get y'all eggs. Okay, change the plan. I'm not gonna pay no $7 for them little small bag of shrimp when I don't have to. So, change your dinner plans. They got that big bag of chicken. What is that? 8 pounds of chicken breast for $16.99. Y'all see how big that bag is? That don't look good. Why them breasts so big? Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Mexicali. Is that how you say it? Style chicken breast. Chicken patties. Look at that. Y'all see that? Don't that look good? It's $8.99. Might do that. I don't know. Okay, they got the Cornish hens. $5.29. Them things used to be $3 and something. I don't know, fam. I just don't know. I'm gonna change my whole dinner plans around. Let's see. Y'all remember I showed y'all this at Publix. They had theirs for $9.99. Look at all the price. $12.79. Ooh, look at that. Oreo and M&M yogurt multi-pack. Y'all see that price? I think I'm getting some pork chops. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna cook. So it's gonna be a totally different change of plans here. Let me see, can I find me some? Can't find me no darn pork chop. These right here is the 7 o'clock. 478. But it's only 3 in now. These right here got too much blood on it. $9, $10. Y'all see that price? Okay, we're gonna do some chicken thighs. That chicken thighs is $6.20. This one's $6.15. And they're small. Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay, got my chicken. I think I should have got me a buggy. Let me get my powder to go in my water. Alright, fam. Let's head to the register. See what my damage is. Ooh, they got these little pools over here on these little Aldi finds. I don't see nothing new that they have. I know one thing, they need to straighten up over here. Because you can't find nothing. Let me get up out of all this. Okay, this is nice little small haul. Let's see what the damage is. Okay. Total is $15.50. Alright, fam. We're out of all this. Can y'all believe that damn shrimp almost $7 for that little bitty bag? I mean, it's like if they cutting down the product, but going up on the darn prices. This is ridiculous. Alright, fam. Hope y'all enjoyed the little short Aldi video. Trying to get something to cook that'll last today and tomorrow so I can cook chicken for the next 2 days. But please like, comment, and subscribe. And to the new Subscribers, welcome to the family. Turn on your notification button so you'll know when I upload a video. Until the next video, I pray y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. All right, fam. Bye-bye.